Well, it's going to be a beautiful sunny day, but there's a bit of a frost and the car's all iced up. I must be bloody stupid. Well, it is a beautiful day here in sunny Bendigo, but while it is sunny, it's not warm. It's the, what of June? Actually, it was the 21st, otherwise known as the winter solstice. I don't know, it's cold, it's winter, it's winter. I've got David Brain with me again. His job is to, well, pull me out if I die. Probably better to pull me out before that point.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, good luck with that. I have brought a rope, so you can throw me the end of the rope.
Right.
So what I'm hoping is I'll be able to cut enough rush to fill that corner in. Now, as we were arriving, we were saying the sun was really warm and there was no wind and it's fabulous. But now that I'm about to start getting in the water, the wind has picked up. But it should be fine once I get in there. Some people are going to say I'm absolutely mad for doing this, and they would be a bit right. This is commitment, not stupidity. It's a little bit of stupidity, but it's mostly commitment.
They definitely don't look waterproof.
Why am I doing this again?
Alrighty, here we go. You gonna give us a triple somersault and ending in the pike position, or?
No. Oh.
Well, that's one way to enter the water.
Well, there was no squeal from the cold as I first entered.
And you didn't end up impaling yourself on the sickle, so that's another good thing.
And I don't think I've cut myself on the gravel.
And the even better news was that's all on camera, yeah.
Ow! Yeah, the clay's a bit slip. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh.
And what a great way to start.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
And once again, we have reached the critical level.
Oh.
These are the sounds made by a man questioning life decisions.
Oh my god, it just hurts.
Just think of a nice fire.
Oh, it's getting a bit shallower. Must be.
That's what you want. Just expose that wet area to the wind. That's good.
Oh. Ah. Oh, my legs.
This is one of those times when you'll be grateful that you're not 4 foot tall.
I'm not sure about that. If I was 4 foot tall, I wouldn't be doing this. Oh.
What's worse than getting slapped in the face with a piece of rush?
No, I think getting in the water is worse.
Getting slapped in the face with a piece of wet rush.
Oh, right. You know when I said to make smart-ass comments because it'd be funny for the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, they've got to be good smart-ass comments. That was terrible. Right, the good news, my legs have gone numb. They no longer are aching.
That's good. You can definitely call this video rush hour.
That's terrible. I'm not going to be in here for an hour.
Yeah, probably about 6 minutes down, 54 to go. You alright? Seems like you're pulling against something. Feet getting stuck in the mud there?
All the stalks of the rush hold it up. Oh. Because it's so deep, it's actually quite hard to pull. You see how much of a mess that is? as I cut it. How it just went everywhere.
Yeah, like doesn't have the strength that it kind of just folds over.
Yeah, because it's dry, it just, yeah. It doesn't have any flexibility either, so it folds.
Mm.
I'm actually getting used to it now, I reckon. Not feeling, actually my hands feel the coldest because they're out of the water.
The nerves haven't died yet. There we go. Getting used to it. 2 seconds later.
Look at me, that was almost to my neck. Close to my neck, almost to my chin. How long have I been in the water?
In the water, probably about 12-ish minutes, I'd guess.
Adult.
Yeah, 48 minutes to go.
If I stay in that long, you might have to pull me out.
I reckon in 48 minutes you could have half of this done.
I don't think I got enough to finish that corner yet. I'm running out of puff though.
So long as you've got enough puff for the return trip.
Well, it's not just the return trip, it's getting it out. Oh, ow.
Cut yourself on a bit of rush.
No, I dragged it.
Ah,
I'm starting to have trouble keeping my arms above the water.
fatigue.
Fatigue, yeah. I think I'm going to do one more bundle and call it quits. I suppose the wet rush.
Go on.
Wet rush across the back of the neck.
True story. Oh,
Ah! Oh.
you've got an incoming phone call. Answer.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, Stuart's phone. It's our Rod.
Oh, Rod.
Yeah, Stuart's just in the in a pond at the moment. Alright, I think we're just about done with the cutting. We're
I'm just glad I'm not that crazy. You said you wanted me to turn up. I'm here, I've been, and now I reckon I'm going to go again. It's cold.
You reckon it's cold? Come here. I want the kick.
Not a hope in the world.
Come here.
well, I'm just gonna retreat to a safe distance.
Forget that and give me a hug when I would go right away.
Now, it's very fortunate that Annalise didn't push Sarah in because she's an asthmatic and she reacts really badly to being pushed into cold water. And I know this from previous experiences.
Whoops.
Do you want to come for a swim, Annalise? No. I was tempted to keep going to get that last bit of good stuff,
Yeah?
but I got a cramp. So I'm calling it quits and getting out.
Sounds like a plan.
Are you getting cold, Daddy?
I almost fell over backwards just because I'm losing my balance a bit too.
Dad, are you getting cold?
I'm getting cold, Annalise. I really am.
It's like getting cold? Maybe not.
No, actually that's true. Yeah, I'm getting colder.
Well, whilst recording that, my hands have gone numb and I'm not even doing anything.
That was you. Why did you don't have shoes on?
Yeah, that's probably sensible that you're planning to get out now.
Yeah, it's just my legs aren't working properly. Oh no.
What? What?
Daddy.
What did you do or not do?
The GoPro's out there.
I'm gonna pick this.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
That's what you wanted to do.
Did you even bring a towel out with you?
Shut up. The only sensible suggestion I think you could have made about this whole endeavour is
Why?
don't do it. Oh.
Dad, pick your boots on.
Shouldn't you have shoes on?
Why?
Because you're going to hurt them, damage them. Look at the stones and stuff.
It's alright, I can't feel them.
Yeah, the thing is, that makes it worse.
Pick your boots on, Daddy.
Yeah, I will.
You'll do more damage.
Yes, leaves in it.
No, get the leaves out, you goose.
Go! Shh! You'll hear
Quick,
it.
Dad's not going to feel them because his feet are so cold. So you need to get the leaves out of Dad's boot.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
He won't know.
I know, but that'll cause his feet to be sore. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Well, I thought I was cold when I got out of the water, but actually it was on the drive home that I started to feel really chilled. Got home, had a bit of a shower, and then, yeah, into bed with some hot water bottles. And that's when I felt really, really cold and started getting the shakes a little bit. And I think what happened is that sort of basically the cold had started to get to my core, and that's how I was responding to it. The cramp that I mentioned earlier was shocking, and for several days after this, I like my calves just weren't working properly because they weren't cramped anymore, but the pain from them being so cramped was pretty bad. And I think I cut it pretty fine, because if you saw towards the end there, I was having the staggers and I was having trouble walking, having trouble keeping my balance. So yeah, don't recommend doing this, and especially don't do it alone. Really bad idea. But all that rush is now home. It's all bundled up and it's all ready to go on the roof, which I'll be doing as soon as I get the chance. So stay tuned for that. I'm hopefully finishing off that corner, and after that we'll be moving on to the thatching with the reed, which will be a chance for me to apply what I've learned thatching with the rush, and hopefully be a lot easier, because I reckon the reed is a much easier material to work with, but time will tell. So if you want to see that, stick around, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.